For years we've known that biodiversity is important, that we need to have as many different species fulfilling different functions within an ecosystem so that it's robust, so it's resilient, so it can withstand climate change and so on. What we haven't quite got round to is trying to make some of these positive changes for biodiversity and for ecosystems through our everyday lives. And one of the things that we're looking at the People and Nature Lab is how we can bring biodiversity more into cities, into urban environments, how we can actually bring real biodiversity benefits to the city rather than just, a green roof here, a bit of a park there, which are nice and they're green and, we enjoy spending time in them, but actually, are they biodiverse? Are they actually giving us the benefits that biodiversity brings? There are lots of different academics working as part of the People and Nature Lab. My own work is looking at the microbiome of indoor spaces, and I'm interested to see whether, introducing a green wall will make a difference to the microbial fingerprint in a particular space. But I have lots of colleagues who are working on other organisms, so looking at what sort of invertebrates we can pick up in this location. So, we're in Stratford, it's the Olympic Park, it's been regenerated, there's a lot of green space here, but who's here? Which moths are here? Which bats are here? More and more of us are living in these urban spaces. It's a twofold problem. One is that we've sort of competed nature out, and the other is that we're not exposed to nature like we should be in the ways that we were built to interact with it. So that's why we need to bring more nature in. I mean, ultimately, we know that extinction rates of all of the different species around the world are through the roof. We're facing climate change. I mean, ultimately, there are real tangible benefits for us to having green spaces around us, for our physical health, for our mental health, for the health of the city, the heat islands and so on, actual cooling. We've sort of been too busy building these megacities and this sort of strange artificial world that we just forgot about nature, and now we need to remember and put it back in.